What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. I want to go ahead and welcome you guys back to the vlog. Hope each and every one of you are having a great day. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Have some awesome content revolving around my 2013 Grabber Blue Mustang GT. As many of you guys are aware of, we have some really big things coming with this car. And, you know, with those big things, I'm kind of keen about driving it at the moment. There's honestly just so much on my mind with this thing, everything happening so soon, and I'm just honestly stressed about it. I'm scared to damage the car, kind of like the reason why we had to put the Rouches on. I'm scared to get tickets, I'm scared to mess up, get caught speeding, or I just don't want to drive the car right now, and I think it's probably in my best interest to not do so until our trip to Florida. This way, you know, we can secure the whole entire installation of the VMP Gen3r supercharger without any BS. Because if you've been to the channel for some time, you know I go through BS, especially if we have something like Mustang Week 2017 happen again. Had the whole entire car ready to go for Mustang Week, and 4 days beforehand, the whole freaking front bumper gets ripped off, and it was a mess. So I'm scarred from that. I have to admit, I'm scarred. But even though we are leaving Lucifer here for today's video, guys, that's all right, because we have so much to talk about, a ton. For those of you that checked out the videos this week, if you didn't, you want to go do that because this might not make a lot of sense. So
what's up, Derek and the DBP squad? It's JD with VMP. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and you know, we're really excited. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet though. Here's how short and sweet. This is your car. This is your car on VMP. We'll see you June 1st. Peace.
Yeah, go check out those videos and then it'll all make sense. If you haven't checked out this week's videos, definitely go do so. We posted a lot of them and there's a lot of valuable information in there. We have some really big plans in the works, and it's not even just the VMP thing, even though that is like still mind-boggling that this is happening. Based on the title and thumbnail of this video, there's obviously some things I want to talk about. First things first, guys, let's talk a little bit about this VMP Gen3r, which is going on my 2013 Gen 1 Coyote, which to many of you might seem alarming, but I promise you the car's going to be in great hands even with such a big blower. The awesome thing about getting boosted by VMP is they are in my dream state. Maybe in life I'll actually end up living in Florida. It's definitely something reasonable because it's not across the country. Ben and I get to go to Florida for a full week. That right there is gonna be awesome. And you know, all this Florida talk, hold up. Gotta do this video the right way, baby. Gotta start practicing. Oh yeah. For those of you that know Andrew or Mustang Lifestyle, he has definitely stepped up and is helping Ben and myself out tremendously. And honestly, Andrew, before I go and tell everybody what's going on, I do greatly appreciate it, and you're saving me a ton of money. You're helping me out big time, man, huge. So again, for those of you that watch Mustang Lifestyle's channel, you know that him and VMP have been pretty close for some time. So if you're putting two and two together, I have to go to VMP to get the blower installed. Andrew's near VMP, and you know, he offered Ben and myself to stay at his house for a full week and give us a rent-a-car. Here you go, Derek. Here's your rent-a-car for the week. Hope you have fun in the boosted GT350R. You know, you can drive it as hard as you want, as long as you want. You can even take it home for a hell I care. Gonna be awesome because my car is gonna be out of commission for probably, we'll say 4 days. I know we're gonna split it up into days, but that right there honestly saves my tail a lot of hassle, a lot of money. And again, Andrew, thank you so much for that. And we're gonna be cranking out some sick content. We start installation with the VMP blower on the 1st, and hopefully we'll be done by the 4th. I plan on leaving either the 6th or the 7th. So with leaving the 6th or 7th, we're gonna have some days for some playtime, and playtime as in film. I am gonna go ahead and put this out on the record. I might have some time to do a subscriber/fans episode of Mustang Madness, and if you guys didn't check that out, I posted that Tuesday of this week.
My name is Joel Miranda, and this is my 2014 California Special, known as Electra. Let me give you a little quick walk around and see what she had.
Mustang Madness is going to be the new series on my channel to where we dive deep into Mustang projects and Mustangs only. You guys know there's a lot of people out there that do like reviews of cars and reviews of Mustangs, and it's one thing learning about the project or learning about the Mustang from like my perspective, because I would be reviewing it, but it's also another thing to hear it from the owner themselves and what they were thinking, why they went the route they did. And honestly, when it boils down to it, they're gonna have the best information and, you know, their thought process on their build, which I think a lot of people, you know, enjoy. While I'm in Florida, like I said, I'm gonna have some free time. Definitely would love to meet up with a subscriber and their car, but there's gonna be one stipulation, is I want a badass Mustang, and it can be completely different, it can be boosted, but it has to stand out. I will not be traveling to you. You're gonna have to travel to me to get this done. And you know, if there's any of your friends out there that you know have a badass Mustang, send them my way. We can make something happen. Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So now that I've broken the news about the whole staying with Mustang lifestyle, let's go ahead and talk about the main subject of this week, this month, next month, and that's VMP Performance. If you guys haven't checked out VMP, or if you're not too sure exactly who they are, VMP Performance specializes in root style superchargers for Mustangs. We are going to be installing a VMP Gen3r supercharger kit on my Mustang. We're talking the full kit with heat exchangers, we're talking injectors, booster pump, and I even went nitty and gritty and wanted them to do the oil pump gears and crank sprocket, because on Gen 1 Coyotes, those are typically the first things to go, and we don't want any of that. I want this car to be completely solid after the installation, so there's really not much to worry about, because I know the guys over at VMP, once this installation is done, we throw it on the dyno to get the tune and stuff. I know for a fact they're gonna make sure my car is as safe as possible, and again, that's why I went the extra route, oil pump gears, crank sprocket. And I'm actually trying to price out some numbers for an MGW race spec. Joel runs it in his car. I absolutely love the way his car feels, and he's at 716 horsepower on a stock clutch, and the car feels great. The MGW shifter is honestly more of like a comfort feeling, because this Barton revision 2 I have in there, it makes a lot of noise, it doesn't feel safe. And let's be honest, with this VMP blower install, we're gonna be pushing an insane amount of power out of a Gen 1, and everybody knows those MT82s are not the strongest thing, so I wanna make sure I'm as safe as possible. I know a couple people that have the same one I have and like it, but it's just not working on my car. So there's that, guys. As far as products, that's pretty much what we're working with. We're gonna stay stock clutch for a while. I don't plan on beating the car to death to where the stock clutch won't hold up, because as I said, Joel's been on stock clutch, 716 wheel horsepower with his Whipple Charge 5.0, and he has a new clutch at home, but he's riding it out as long as possible. And if he's gotten 3 years on it the way he drives it, I should have no problem as long as I respect it. But let's get into the exciting part about all this VMP and Mustang talk. Let's go ahead and jump into some numbers and what we can kind of expect. Now, let me remind you, this isn't a VMP Gen3r, which is another great blower, but we're talking about a VMP Gen3r, which is a 2.6 liter supercharger, and you know, it's like putting a Honda motor on top of a 5.0. I know when I first broke this news, a lot of guys were messaging me and commenting on my post saying I'm an idiot for letting them putting this blower on my car because it's too big for the Gen 1. I will agree with you guys on half of that. I'm not an idiot. VMP knows what they're doing. The other half of this is that blower is really big. That thing is ready to put out power on, you know, forged internals and stuff like that. But with the size pulley we're gonna be running, which are typically 2 options. I might butcher this. I haven't done all my research on it, but I think the biggest pulley is like a 95 or a 96, and that will put me at about 660, 670, we'll say. And then there's another option, which is like an 85 or an 86, something like that, which will obviously push more boost and put me at that like 700 or above area, which depending on how comfortable and how everything goes, you know, with the first data logging and things like that, those are 2 options. But at the end of the day, my car only has 22,000 miles. It is going to be very spunky, and I'm not really looking to damage the car by any means. The car is currently sitting at 400 wheel horsepower. No. So if I can get 650 on a very, very, very conservative tune and know the motor is gonna hold for some time. I'm honestly happy with that, and that's 250 wheel horsepower we're talking. You get to that 650, 680 wheel horsepower on a Gen 1, like there's really not much that's gonna mess with you unless, you know, they're balls to the walls. I'm not gonna be upset if we don't hit that 700 horsepower. And again, I'm gonna leave this all up to Justin and the tuners and the team out over at VMP because they've done this, they do this. This is honestly so amazing because not only am I getting a VMP blower, but I'm getting the team at VMP that deals with these on a day-to-day basis to install it, which is like, that right there is enough for me. So ultimately, I'm gonna leave it up to them, but what I wanna do, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and do a little giveaway. I want you guys to take 2 seconds right now, head to the comment section down below, and I want you to take a guess at what horsepower and what torque we're gonna be putting down with this blower. Again, it is the VMP Gen3r, pretty big blower. We're gonna kind of have to go with a big pulley just to keep everything safe. So when it comes dyno day over at VMP, the closest or the person that hits the nail right on the head is gonna win some free merch, and I have some leftover stuff, some OG merchandise to say the least. I'm gonna go ahead and send that out to you free of cost, and you know, it'll be a little contest. Needless to say, guys, I am super grateful and super blessed for this opportunity, and I can't stop thinking about it. I have Ben going with me. We're staying with Mustang lifestyle. That's a ton of content right there, and we're going to my dream state of Florida. Everything has just been falling into place so well, and that's why I'm scared to drive the Mustang, because I tend to pull some bad luck at times. So yeah, we're staying safe with this. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited to share this awesome news with you. You guys know I've been on my grind every day. I know many of you are sick and tired of hearing this, but it's an absolute blessing to make content for you guys, and honestly, I appreciate each and every one of y'all's support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop your boy a thumbs up. Go check out Mustang Lifestyle and the awesome content he provides. We will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time, for a fun video. But until next time, we'll see you later.